Back home, we stopped for a while. She gives me a smile and cuddles her head on my chest. Oh yeah, we started to bed, and that's when I get her powder all over my vest. After I kinda straightened my tie, she asked to borrow my comb. One kiss, then I continue again, walking my baby back home. She's afraid of the dark, so I have to bark a doo-doo outside of her door till it's light. She says if I try